Yes, today I will show you Power BI dashboard. Here, I have recently completed my Power BI project on AV sales. So, first of all, we will discuss here some important points about the sales report, like year-on-year sales growth in EV sales and in non-EV sales and state-wise sales we are looking here. So first of all, we will we can see here we have three tables. That is first of all, this is about state-wise sales, and in state-wise sales we have a few columns like vehicle category, electric vehicle sold, total vehicle sold, and this is about it. And in second table we have vehicle category, maker is about which company is create implementing this product. So and this is electric vehicle sold, and this is date, and third is dim date. Dim is basically about dimension tables, and these are both are fact tables. So this is the relationship that's called data modeling. So here we have created a relationship between these three tables, like first in fact table and second in fact table of state wise. So both are connected to dim table, and then after we did some transformation, so like data cleaning and removing extra columns that is not required in our report. And then we have created some formula basis columns, like create measures, like in we want total sum of sales since 2000, since starting year of electrical sales. So after then doing this all transformation, we have, this is a wonderful Power BI dashboards that I have created. And we can see here, this is a year that we can select our year, in which year we are doing house sales, and much more. And these are a category of like two-wheeler sales and four-wheeler sales. Basically these are two-wheeler and four-wheeler. And we can see total vehicles sold. It is about non-vehicle and non-electrical and electrical vehicle sold, vehicle car sold. So this is non-vehicle, this is electric vehicle. So we can see uh, 2 million electric vehicle are sold, and 55 are non-electrical out of 57. So, and this is a KPI that's called a key performance indicator. Here we can easily analyze our sales data, like if I will select 2023. So in 2023 I can see we have grow 0.78 million, uh, that is in showing green line. So basically here is some plus points for us. And same for 2024. In 2024 um, we can see this is in red point, that is a minus 3.1% degrowth from the 2023, because on the goal we are taking this year sales target. But we can say in 2024, here is only March, till March data. So till March, how we can predict the complete year sales. So that's the reason this is showing less amount of sales. And in 2022 we can say this is 0.27 million of electric vehicle sales, and goal is zero, because in 2021 we didn't any record. So and about the other graphs, like in electrical vehicle, we can electrical vehicle sold, we can see year-on-year growth. Like 2021, we did 0.06 million sales, and up to 2022, approx in 2022, we are growing 0.11, and then 2024, we are also growing. So we can easily analyze our electrical vehicle sales year on year here, by this graph, and this is about the makers rank. Like this is called like I will take it in focus mode. So in this graph we can easily see the Ola Electrical is on first rank, and in 2022 the Ola Electrical is was in mid the all of makers. Like it was sales doing sales only 14K, okay, in 2022, and after 2022 it is growing 0.15 million, and on the first rank in 2024 in the electrical vehicle field. So it is on rank first, and 0.32 million basically he did sales, and rest of all makers are doing degrowth. Like we can easily analyze Okinawa. This is doing great here in 2023, but and also it is doing great in 2022, 0.05 million. Then in 2022 it is growing 0.10 million, and then in 2024 it is degrowing. That is the very least, only 20K electrical vehicle sales in 2024. So with the help of this graph, we can easily analyze our sales makers rank year on year. So Ola Electrical is the doing best sales in 2024, and we will review rest of charts. Here we can see top 5 electrical vehicles sold by the makers. Like these are the top five makers. Like Ola Electrical, it did 0.49 million electrical vehicle sales, and then TVS Motors, that we know all our Indians are TVS, Ola Electrical. They are doing great sales in 2024 as well, and either Hero Electrical, Ampere. So these are the top 5 EV sales makers, and these are the bottom top 5 EV sold. Like this is Mercedes Benz, Kia Motors, Volvo, BMW India, PC Automobile. These are the in bottom top 5 in EV sales sold. So here we did this and we did this, and about this pie chart we can easily analyze in which category electrical vehicle are doing great, like in two-wheeler and four-wheeler. So in two-wheeler, uh, electrical vehicle are doing good sales, like 1.91 million out of total sales. Out of total sales, this is capturing 92% of market in electric vehicle, and in four-wheeler, 0.15 million, only 7.4% all of the market. So this is about only electrical vehicle, and this is electrical vehicle is about only from this 2 million total electric vehicle sales. 2 million from 1.9 is about two-wheeler, and 0.15 is about four-wheeler. So this is about two-wheeler and four-wheeler category, and this is basically state-wise sales. Like we can easily understand like in which state electric vehicle are doing great from the total sales. Like we can easily filter out this. So in Uttar Pradesh we can see 3.93 EV% out of total vehicle sold. So I think this number is so number in digit. So we will change this column headers and no problem, it is in fact specific column state total vehicle sold. Yeah, this is showing in digit. So yeah, 1000 is looking much good number. Electric vehicle, this would be also in thousand, and it should be in numbers. 0k should be in digit. Yeah, yeah, perfect. So now this graph is looking so good. So here we can easily analyze uh, in which state we are doing total sales great. Like in Uttar Pradesh, we are doing 81 to 7k, and out of this amount of sales, this quantity of sales, sorry, electric vehicles sold 95k, and that is the 3.93 approx 4% doing that is the and 4% is highest number of electric vehicle sales out of total vehicle sales in state wise. So and we will also analyze two-wheeler sales as well. So uh, also two-wheeler is doing great in EV sales in UP, and about the four-wheeler, in which state is doing four-wheeler is great. That is also, I think, that is also from UP. So in Uttar Pradesh, we are doing good in EV sales sold, and this is about the rank in four wheeler. We can easily analyze over Tata Motors is doing great because as we know, all our Indian like Tata Motors in EV electrical vehicle and also non-electrical vehicle as well. So about the two wheelers, we can say after view this graph, Ola Electrical is doing great in electrical vehicle market. So, and Ola Electrical is basically starting from this in 2022. It was in on the mid range, and after 2022, it was doing good growth. And 2020, it is doing 0.15 million in two-wheeler sales, and then in 2024 it is on first rank. That is a good that is a good growth as per all other another makers, and it is doing 0.32 million all electrical vehicles sold market. So Ola is doing great, and also I want to analyze which is the makers is on the bottom. Yeah, from this is our PC automobiles. Yeah, this is PC automobiles, and these are also PC automobiles. We can see this is the from bottom to five electrical vehicles. So view this graph, we can easily see everything is good.